All right, here's something ridiculous I want to show you. This is one of our vehicles. I think it's a 2017 Honda HRV. Pretty good little car. Good on gas, kind of a tin can. We usually drive big like Suburbans and trucks, whatever. But my boys were driving this the other day, and they told me, man, it sounds like the transmission's going to just like explode in this car. So I didn't think it was a transmission. This car doesn't have a ton of miles on it. So I got looking into it, and I'll show you what I found. So, looking around under there, I found it to be a U-joint, a bad U-joint. So this is people that work on cars. You know what U-joints are, right? Like, you can see that this is bad. There's a focus. You see all the needle bearings had fallen out of there, and you can hear that clunking, and this was just making all kinds of noise going down the road, right? So I'm like, oh, okay, it's a bad U-joint, right? So I call the auto parts place, and they're like, oh, no, we can't get U-joints for that vehicle. What? So I'm like, why not? They're like, we don't know. There's none listed in the computer. Like, none at all. Okay, well, I don't know. So I call the dealership, and they're like, oh, no, that's not serviceable. I'm like, what do you mean it's not serviceable? It's a stupid U-joint. Like, that's like 30-minute ordeal. They're like, nope, you got to buy this whole thing. U-joint, flange, drive shaft, carrier bearing, drive shaft, U-joint, flange. You got to buy this whole freaking thing, right? So I'm like, okay, sure. Well, what am I going to do? I can't have him going around with this. This is going to leave him stranded someday. Honda wants almost $1,200 for this. $1,200 for a bad U-joint seems insane. So there again, I called the local parts places, Napa's and what have you, and none of them. This apparatus isn't available to them. So I got on the good old eBays, and I got a brand new one for about $400, which still seems crazy to me. $400 because you got one bad U-joint. But what are you gonna do? Like, you can't use the car with that, so like, you got to fix it. But can you imagine what that would cost if you took this stupid thing to Honda? I bet it'd be every bit of $2,000. Me and my son did this in the driveway in the rain, in about I don't even think we had an hour into it. We spent longer looking for the tools we wanted than doing the actual work. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Nothing real special about it, but man, I just thought, what in the world? Why would you design something like this that these fail over time? Like, first of all, they made them so you can't grease them. So they know they're going to fail. And then when they fail, they just take you to the cleaners. So there you go.